Alright, third track. Now this track, last time I played it, was very... we'll see. Well, you'll see. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Goro. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's actually doing a bit better than... oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. It's actually very improved from the last time I played it. Nothing's changed, though. Huh. Interesting. It's actually playable. Although it really helped when it was in slow motion, because I could take turns super easy, be very precise, and hug these walls really good. I'm bad. Oh, I'm bad. Oh. Oh dear. Oh boy. It's okay, it's fine. It's the easiest difficulty. Just for testing. You got boost power. Excuse me, Mr. Guys. Might have gone a little bit overboard on the boosting there, but that's fine. This guy has a high top speed, so on no boosting straight parts, straight-ish like this, it's he could keep ahead a little bit. This is so much better than last time. I don't know what happened last time. Interesting. On the main menu it played this track also. And it was super laggy then too. Well, that's the end of that. Let's see how this did. Alright, there we go.